Right guys, there is a brand new version of ChatGPT that just got released called 4.0, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online with ChatGPT 4.0 and take you through all of the steps that you need to know to make money with this new AI. Now you can actually do this for free, so this version of ChatGPT is the best version and it's now free to use, which is really good because you used to have to pay a subscription. And I'm going to take you through everything that you need to know step by step in this video to make money with this method that I'm going to show you. You won't need to go and create any complicated websites. I'm simply going to show you how to use ChatGPT to make money, and more specifically the new version of ChatGPT. Now for my subscribers, we are bringing back the cash giveaways in the next video, so make sure you like this video and then subscribe so you know when that video comes out. Let's get started. All right guys, now if you don't already know, there is a new ChatGPT that's being released. It's called ChatGPT 4.0, and this thing is absolutely insane. I've been playing around with it most of today, and some of the stuff that you can do with this new ChatGPT is mind-blowing. And the best part about this is apparently ChatGPT 4.0 is free to use. You don't need a subscription. But that's even better. Usually with these methods that I show you, you need to have a ChatGPT subscription. But I'm going to show you how to make money with ChatGPT without actually having the subscription. So we're in ChatGPT 4.0 right now, and you can see it's a little bit different here. And I'm going to show you how to make money with this new AI. It's crazy what you can do anything now with ChatGPT. If you're in a business, if you have a job doing data entry and stuff like that, I don't know, it's pretty dicey on whether you're going to have a job in the future. So you might want to start actually using ChatGPT to make some money instead and start your own thing online or something. So let's get started. For this method, you are going to want to go and sign up to Twitter and get yourself a Twitter account. Twitter is free to use, and we can also do this on other platforms as well. But in this video, we're going to focus on doing this on Twitter just for this video, and we'll talk about other platforms in future videos. So make sure you subscribe to that. So go and sign up and get yourself a Twitter account. Now, what's on your Twitter account isn't really going to matter when starting this method because we're going to actually build it out over time. But this is my one here. I just have some of my old stuff on my Twitter that I haven't really posted in like a couple of months. However, let's get started and I'll show you how you can get started making money with this. So we've got a few prompts here that we're going to go ahead and put into ChatGPT. The first one is right here. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go and put this into ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT, the new version, is a lot faster, about 50% faster. So if you look at that, it literally spat that out in seconds. And usually if you've been watching my old videos, it does take a lot longer than that. So what I said is I said, create a list of niches and categories when it comes to books. Now, I actually messed that up. I was supposed to say, give me a list of the top categories. So actually do that again. Create a list of the top niches and categories when it comes to books. Now, we'll see if it's different. It might not be. It's probably going to be the same. Yeah, it's the same, I think. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. So what we're going to do is we have a list of 20 that we can go ahead and use. The next step is there is another prompt here that we're going to use. And I'll just take this off real quick. Let me just show you. We'll clear that. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask what are the most popular. Now we're going to do something here. You want to change out thriller to something. So for example, you could do self-help, non-fiction, mystery, science, thriller. We'll do self-help maybe because that's kind of in my niche. I'm in the self-help make money online space. So I'm going to change this out. What are the most popular books in the self-help category? And then we're going to let ChatGPT give us that information. It's pretty quick now, and it's given us that information extremely fast. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to here, and we've got another one that we're going to use, and we're going to clear this here, and we're going to take that prompt, and we're going to say, what are the important key takeaways from, and you're going to choose a book, okay? So we're going to choose Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, And we're going to replace that with the girl and the dragon tattoo, And we're going to ask ChatGPT, what are the important key takeaways from Think and Grow Rich? Now, the next step is important. This is how we're actually going to make money on Twitter. But first, I want to actually explain to you, before we do the last prompt, how this all works. So here we go. We have our information. So it's given us the key takeaways from the book, Think and Grow Rich. What we're going to do next is we're going to sign up to the audiobooks affiliate program. If we scroll down to the bottom here, tells us how much we can make. So basically, if we get basic signups, we're going to make $15 per sign up. And then if we get to silver, which is 250 signups per month, we're going to get $18 per sign up. If we can get to 500 signups per month, we're going to make $25 per sign up. That's around about $12,000 per month. That's absolutely insane. And what this is actually a website called audiobooks.com, and we would make money by promoting these particular books. There is another way that we can do this. We can actually use the Amazon affiliate marketing program to do the same thing and promote books as well. If we scroll down here, if they download an audiobook, we get 50 cents. If they do a free trial digital membership, we get $5. And then if they do gold digital membership, we get 10. So for example, if we go into Amazon here and put in self-help, and I go down and click on this one, the power of letting go, when someone signs up for the free trial, so the free trial digital membership, we get $5 for promoting this book. That's absolutely insane. $5. Think about that, just for sending people to a free trial. So I'm going to show you a third way in a second, but 2 ways to make money with this is to go and sign up to audiobooks.com affiliate marketing program, and you can promote books from audiobooks.com, or we can do it from Audible, which is an Amazon company, and we can essentially do the same thing by promoting books from Amazon. So let me show you exactly what I mean, and then I'll show you a third way in a second. So if we go back to our document here and we uncover this here and we copy this, we can ask ChatGPT this. Based on those takeaways, make a Twitter thread, use the right keywords to attract the right people who would be interested in reading the book. And I'm going to get ChatGPT to do that for me. And this is what we're saying about ChatGPT and why it's so crazy now. We can literally use it to do anything for us, and we don't have to do the work. For me to do this back in the day when there was no ChatGPT, I'd have to pay somebody on my team to do this. I actually used to pay someone about $100 a week to run my Twitter. I can just use ChatGPT now. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually take this, and what you want to do is all right, I did forget, you do need to upgrade your Twitter account to post longer tweets, but that's okay. So we can actually just do this one, ready to transform your life, discover the timeless principles of success from the Pauline Hills Classic. And we can actually go and use any of these. In fact, we now essentially have 17 posts that we can actually go ahead and use. Now, the next step is we want to go ahead and put our affiliate link into the Twitter post. Now, I don't actually have my affiliate link on here, but I'm going to go and post it here. And then you would have your affiliate link here, and people could potentially click on that, and you could make money when they go to that book and get that free trial, or they go to audiobooks.com affiliate program, whatever affiliate program you could use, you could potentially make money. And we've just used ChatGPT to essentially do all the work for us. Now, keep in mind, this isn't just post a couple things and that's it. You have to actually build a Twitter account based on quotes, books, or whatever book you're actually talking about. Don't just go and spam. You need to actually build a proper Twitter account. Don't always just post your link. Post other stuff like images and quotes and all that without a link sometimes. Otherwise, you won't get a lot of traffic because Twitter won't promote you. But you can use ChatGPT to create all of that content if you like. Now, another way to make money is to do this. We can actually go ahead and create our own bookstore as well. So if we go ahead and we click on like this book, for example, or this topic, motivation, and we click on this here, this is our motivation bundle. And we go to our cart. Yeah. So this is a motivation bundle that we could purchase. You can make your own store like that. All you need to do is use what we call PLR products, and you can get books for free or buy books you can resell. So if I go self-help here, you'll see that it's going to give me some self-help books and courses and things like that I can then go ahead and purchase. So I can purchase this bundle for $6 or something like that, $7, and I can resell this on my own store, and then I can use ChatGPT and Twitter to promote that store. That's how cool this stuff is. And then you can also use ChatGPT to create content for other social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and stuff like that, which I'm going to talk about in other videos. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and smash that like button so you know when those next videos come out. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is ChatGPT 4.0, the best ChatGPT that's out right now, and you can make money using ChatGPT and doing affiliate marketing. I'll see you in the next video.